will find that when you use ActivInspire and your ActivBoard, you can take full advantage of the ability to hover over or roll over hotspots built into lessons, web pages, and other applications that you and your school may have invested in. This is important as many websites and software programs have features that require those capabilities. For example, say you're on a website where the student puts the active pen over an object. The word would then be read. However, when the student clicks on that object, a different action can take place. Let's look at some examples within Active Studio. Now on this page, we have a Flash file that was embedded into this flip chart. This would work exactly the same way as a web page. It's a periodic table. See what happens when my active pen rolls over the symbols. I can see visually where my cursor is as the box changes colors. I can also see that the rollover or hovering of the pen shows a change of text in the field at the top of the page. When I click on the element, a window will appear with further information. So you can see the difference between rolling over objects and clicking on them. Let's take a look at another example.
What should Firefighter Fran wear?
Now on this page, we got to figure out what Firefighter Fran should wear. Now notice when I hover over this arrow, it changes colors and it makes a sound. It's a fun little dance beat. Yeah. So let's click on this and see what happens.
Firefighter Fran is on her way to fight a fire, but she needs to get dressed. Will you help Firefighter Fran get dressed? What should Firefighter Fran put on first?
Now this page is a bit more interactive. See when I move over these three choices, it's going to show their name as well as hear it, play it out loud so the students can hear it.
Tutu, pants. Swimming tube, pants. Tutu, pants.
And again, I can make a fun little dance beat.
Swimming tube, pants. Swimming tube, pants. Swimming tube, swimming tube.
Alright, enough fun. But this would be definitely difficult to do without the rollover functionality. The students would have no feedback to their options, and the activity would miss the majority of its built-in interactivity. Now what I could do with the rest of my active classroom is I could actually, not swimming tube, I could actually put options here and have the students use their active votes or active expressions to vote on which answer they think is best. So if the class votes, and let's say the class votes on swimming tube.
Swimming tube? Sorry. Try again.
I can have the class decide which one is the choice, and that way everybody gets to participate. You can see how rollover functionality was essential to using this great resource. On this last example, you can see this flip chart has been set up to show labels or captions. So when a student rolls over the liver, it shows the liver, and when they roll over the stomach, it shows the stomach. And when I click on liver, it then shows information about the liver over here. Again, you could not do this without the rollover function of the pen and the ActivBoard. For more information about rollovers, check out the other active tip that we have showing you how to create rollovers. What you have seen in these examples is quite difficult to do on a resistive or touch-sensitive board, but is quite easy and natural on an active board. Rollover capability is also essential for the most complex sensitive help and internet navigation. As we all are aware, when you move your computer mouse, the cursor itself visually moves across your computer display. This feature is essential with today's modern operating system as it allows things on your computer's display to respond visually as the mouse rolls or passes over them. So now you know more about the advantages of rollover and hovering on your ActivBoard using ActivInspire. Enjoy.